Sevda is going to an Easter egg hunt. Einar is going to an Easter egg hunt. The Easter egg hunt is at Salma's house. It is going to be fun. Salma's mom hid chocolate eggs. Salma's mom hid chocolate bunnies. Everybody is here. Everybody has an Easter basket. The Easter egg hunt can start. Everybody must close their eyes. 1, 2, 3, go. Sevda finds an Easter egg. The Easter egg is behind a table. She puts it in her basket. Einar finds a chocolate Easter bunny. It's under the couch. Einar puts in her basket. Salma's finds a chocolate Easter bunny too. It's in front of the television. She puts in her basket. Everybody finds lots of chocolate. Everybody shares their chocolate. Einar, Salma's, and Sevda love Easter.